Welcome to my channel again. If you're watching your weight, this recipe is not for you because it has lots of butter among other things. Today I'm making raspberry/guava buns. In this bowl I have 3 cups of flour. We have 2.5 sticks of butter, 3/4 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. She's helping me. She always loves to help me. And a 1 egg in here with a little milk. This is for basting. When you're ready to put them in the oven, you baste them with it. And I think that's it. So now I'm going to show you what we do is add fat to flour. It's a pastry, So we're going to add all the butter to the mixture. Adding all the butter. And you're going to add all the dry ingredients. Baking powder. Not all. Just leave that little flour for later. Yeah, you got it. Oopsie. Sorry. And we add the salt. And you're going to cut this in. You're cutting the fat to the flour. Squeeze it, cut, do whatever. Get it combined. And I'll show you when it's combined. It should look like fine breadcrumbs. I omitted the sugar from the recipe when I was showing you the ingredients. So this is 3/4 cups of sugar. And I still have a little left, and I don't think I'll need that. So sometimes you might find that the amount, depending on your flour, is less than what you need. Just when you're adding your liquid a little at a time, and then, you'll see the consistency. You need it like you're making dumplings. So we're going to shape these out. You flatten it out, press around, flatten it out. And you're going to put either of your jam, whatever jelly jam you have. You're going to set it right here in the middle. I use a teaspoon and I scoop some up. And we're going to ball this up. Set that in the middle. Bring everything around and close it up. Close it like that. And then you take your time and you shape it. Touch the side, pat the side. If it feels sticky, get yourself some more flour. And just shake them up nicely so we can put them on our baking sheet. Sometimes, if they're not sealed properly, you're going to find that some of the jam seep out during the baking. So our buns are baked, and as I mentioned, some of the jam has oozed out of them, but it makes it even tastier. So we are actually going to dig in. If they're hot, you see hands all over the place digging in. See, they look light. They're hot. They're really hot. Be careful. And jam inside will burn you. Anyway, I hope you get to make this for yourself. If you have any questions, post below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. You will be getting a lot more pastry and baking videos in the fall. Okay? Thank you. Oh, look at that. Get to the middle. Let me see a middle. Can you? I want to see the jam. Sorry, I know. All right, I'm gonna actually break one open when I can. So the buns have cooled, and some family members have eaten a lot of them. This is what is left, but I wanted to show you a little close up. These are crumbly and it's filled with jam inside, and they break very easily and delicious in your mouth. Got the jam oozing out of it. It's like a cut kind of pastry, you know. It's really delicious. You could eat it just like this without anything inside, but you can use jam or anything else you can find, a jelly, maybe pastry cream, or other, even custard inside of these, and they'll come out very delicious. Great for when you're entertaining. Great for tea. If you're having tea, just have some of these with it, like you have biscuits. But we call them buns, but they're not the Jamaican bun like the Easter bun. These are just little buns you can make quickly, and for impress somebody. You could impress somebody with these. So there you go. See the jam oozing out. Delicious, delicious. It's a little crunchy in your mouth with skin, and then it's soft and sweetness to the back of your tongue. Really good. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do some more videos of baking. Maybe the braided bread might be next. Braided pastry might be next. And I'm also going to do a bread. Thank you.